Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex Image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So as you all know, the Photoshop 2025 is already out. Came out a few days ago. And here's my favorite feature of it, which I dropped a video about earlier on. And I'll be showing you how I do generate my studio backdrops straight in Photoshop. You can now generate a studio backdrop from Photoshop instead of you going to elsewhere to get backdrop. The new AI in Photoshop can allow you to generate a backdrop in Photoshop. You can even save that backdrop to use later in the document. So no further ado, let's jump into action. Let me show you how it actually works. So this is going to be the pattern of the video. I'll be doing a lot of videos relating to background generation when it comes to Photoshop. I'm actually created I can create a playlist on that. First thing you need to do is to go out. Let's go and look for reference which we can use to generate from. So let's go to Instagram. Here's my browser. Then let's click on explore. Let's go to explore. Let's go to explore and see what it's going to give us. Let's see. So all these are simple backdrop. Let's see complicated backdrops. Backdrop that has a lot of features on it. The backdrop that has a lot of features on it, which is very hard to actually create. So if you're to see anyone, let's see if we can get anyone here. Let's see. Let's see if we can get any backdrop. Okay, look at this one in particular right now. I love the way this backdrop is. So getting this backdrop is it's kind of hard. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to snipe it. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or book, just click on your window key, then click on sniping tool, click on the snipe, wait for it to load the panel for you, then click on new. Once you click on new, it's going to give you where to actually select from. As you can see, here's the picture I want to select. Once I'm done with the selection, it's going to do what save automatically for me. So it's actually saved like this. I can just click on save again just to be rest assured that the picture is saved already. So let's close this up right now and let's head back to our Photoshop. So I'll go to my file manager, load up my file manager, then I'll go to my pictures. Under my picture, I'll go to screenshots. Where are my screenshots? Click on screenshots. Our picture should be there already. Here's the picture. Here's the picture right now. I'm going to minimize this my panel, then I'll drag the picture down to Photoshop. The first thing you need to do while generating backdrop is to do what? Remove the subject in the backdrop first. If not, if it's trying to generate the backdrop for you again, it's going to bring the subject back or bring something else with the backdrop for you. So let me click on what? Let's click on quick selection tool or polygonal lasso tool, which one I love using the most. Let's click on polygonal lasso tool. Let's click on polygonal lasso tool. So there are two ways to actually do this right now. You can use the new AI to actually remove the subject from the picture, or you can just generate it to dial. So let's see, we've actually made selection right now. Just right click on it, then go to fill. On that fill right now, you can use content aware and go with content aware. Click on OK. Let's say it's going to fill it up for us in a perfect way. Wait for it to load up. Though this is not using AI to actually make this because the selection, as you can see, Ctrl D to select. To give us something nice, let me just remove this over here. Where's my patch 2? So let me use my patch 2 to remove this icon. Let me use my patch 2 to remove this. Let me use my patch 2 to remove this also. So Ctrl D to deselect. You can now save the picture back now. Ctrl S to save it. So close this up right now. Open a new document, probably a new file. Create a new file. So once you create a new file right now, pick the size you want. Let me just say 5 by 7 white. Let my white be. Let's go to inches. Here should be 5. My height should be 7. Let my height be 7. Here should be 5. Then you click on OK, which is a portrait mode. So let's wait for it to load up. Click on OK. Now the next thing you need to do right now is to do what? Come to this new icon over here. It only comes with 2025 version. So just click on this. You're going to load up an entire new interface for you. Describe what you want. So here you're going to type in the prompt you want. Generate artistic studio backdrop, studio background. Just leave the prompt like this. You can input more thing, probably with flower vase or without flower vase. Anything you just want. So the next thing you need to do is to come to this option here. Click on photo. This is my favorite part of it all, which is reference image. Click on the select reference image right now. Then go to choose image. You can go to your file manager. So now let's go to our picture now. Go to under our screenshots. Let's go to our screenshot right now and pick the one we want to make use of, which is the one, this one right there. Then click on open. So once you click on that effect, I don't think we want any effect here right now. I think this is all I just need for this particular picture. Next I'll do is to do what? Click on generate. And let's see what is actually going to generate for us. Let's see if it's going to give us something very, very nice. Most of the time it does a perfect job. It generates something very, very nice for us. Well, let's see what it's going to give us in this particular picture. And boom, this is actually perfect. It gives me something very, very nice, similar to what we just saw on the website. Just tweak it a little bit and give us something very, very nice. And the beauty about this is that it give us three variants, not just one, three different variants. Look at the second variant it gave to us, and now look at the third variant it gave to us. So it's just for we to do what? To actually pick from the three we want. You can save anyone you want right now. Just come to file, under file, go to export. Then I do save my picture for web. That's why I save my picture for. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to save it as JPEG. Now, whenever I need a backdrop right now, I'll just go to where my backdrop is downloaded. Probably go to my download, and I'll do what? I'm going to use what I want. Then click on save. You can see right now. I'll go to the second file also. I'll do the same thing there. I'll go to file, under file. Then I'll go to export. I'll do the same thing there again. Go to save for web. I'll do the same thing. Click on save. Wait for it to load up, and I'm going to save it. So I will do the same thing to the third one also again. Do the same thing to the third one also. Do the same thing to the third one also again. As you can see, we're able to generate nice backdrop, and probably it will give you what you want again. All you just need to do right now is do what? Click on generate again, and it's going to generate an entire new variant of the collections for you. Now let's say we're done with this one right now.
So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my preset file. So in case you're interested in buying anyone, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.
Now let's input another option, and let's see what it's going to give us right now. So let's come back here and generate studio backdrop. Generate studio backdrop with flower vase. With flower vase. So once you're done with that, still click on photo, then go to the reference image, click on it, then come to choose image here also again. So should we generate something like this again? Click on this one over here, then click on open. So there are many options you can actually generate from. Just sample a backdrop from any site or anywhere you want. Then apply these steps to it. Then click on generate, and let's see what it's going to give us. Let's see what it's going to give to us right now. Let's see if it's going to give us what we want. It's going to give us a perfect result. And boom, it gave us something very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. And it's also going to give us three variants for we to actually do what to choose from. You can see right now, I just love any of these. I'll just do it. I'll save it and I'll apply it on my next picture. Very, very simple and straightforward. With this, you can generate as many backgrounds as possible. There's some backgrounds you see in some picture. Which think how can I actually get something like this, something similar to this, and probably you were able to get the higher quality of it. Now, if you have it save it for the shop 2025, you can just come down here and generate the kind of backdrop you want for any picture editing you want. So with this right now, it's going to limit you wasting money on buying backdrop. Just make sure you get the premium version of the 2025. If you're using a crack version, sorry, this won't work out for you because the limits the you can actually use 2025. I think the crack should be out very soon, but using that is going to affect your generative field. You won't be able to generate image using the 2025 without the complete license. So with this right now, I think if you find this video very, very helpful and educating, kindly share with your friends and make sure